tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate how easy it is to add comments to your CNC program using OneCNC. Now in this example, you can see we have a part, and to help secure the part when we're applying toolpath, we're going to be using this fixture plate. Very good. Now there's a couple places within OneCNC in which you can add a comment. Now the first place is within each individual machining operation. In this example, I just have one machining operation. We're just profiling the outside of the part here, but let me show you how we can add a comment for this machining operation. We're going to right-hand mouse click on this and select Edit Operation. And you're going to notice that within the first dialog box in the lower right-hand corner, there's an option here called Notes. Now, this is where we can actually type in a comment. All right, so for this example, I'm just going to paste in what I created a little bit earlier. Make sure to use 2-flute high-speed 5/8 end mill. All right, so whatever comment you put here, just realize that this comment really should be associated to the particular machining operation you're working on. Now also note that typically when you're using a comment, you're going to need parentheses. Now if you forget to use parentheses, you can click on this handy option right here called Automatic Comments, and once you do that, OneCNC will automatically add the parentheses for you. Very nice. So I'm going to click OK to that, and let's just click Next all the way through here and then Finish. Very good. Now the second place in which we can add a comment is at the very beginning of the CNC program. Let me demonstrate. We're going to head over here to our toolpath group. We're going to generate some CNC code just by double-clicking on the toolpath group, and within the NC Processing dialog box in the lower right-hand corner, you'll notice there's another area in which we can add a note. All right, so what I'm going to do is come down here. I'm going to paste in my comment for that. And remember, this note really should be associated to the entire CNC program. It's going to appear at the very top of the CNC program, and you don't need to use parentheses as OneCNC will automatically generate the parentheses for you. All right, very good. So let's post our CNC program and take a look at our comments. I'm going to override the name. Just click yes on that. And here we go. At the very top of the CNC program, you can see it says Notes. Make sure to use tooling plate number 24. And then for the profiling operation, it says make sure to use 2-flute high-speed 5/8 end mill. Very good. It's a very powerful feature provided by OneCNC. Thank you so much for watching this tip of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.